So then after, yeah, like something like that, and then you would start talking about your point of view and stuff, and then
so Jill Stein gets a raise.
no, you are gonna be a plaintiff, and then we change you into Jill Stein.
Yep, I'll use like a wig or something because I don't want to confuse them.
Okay, and then I have a black wig. You can wear a black wig, and then and then
I've always wanted black hair.
And then you would start talking about your view on things. And then you would go to Christine and I running through the grass like children. How we
Little tiny. Keep the world green for your children.
And then
the generation of tomorrow.
Yeah, something like that.
I'm Jill Stein and I approve this message. Hi, I'm Jill Stein. One of the major issues this year is employment. To help employment, I'm going to get rid of NAFTA and other free trade programs, as well as put into effect the full employment program, which will create 25 million new green jobs. I will also support grants and low-interest loans for small business. Another issue I'm interested in is workers' rights. When I become president, I'll work to make minimum wage higher. I'll support full workers' rights in the workplace, and I will also end discrimination in the workplace. I just started my new job at SRS, and I'm making $300,000 a year.
Hi, I just started my job at SRS and I make $30,000 a year.
Hi, I'm a supporter of Jill Stein, and one of the major issues that she wants to end is discrimination in the workplace. There are 3 factors to this: age, race, and gender. As you saw in the example, the 2 women were actually different ages, but the one that was younger got the lower pay. But this does not seem equal. With Jill Stein as president, we will have a better America, and everybody will have equal pay.
So are we coordinating filming? Is that what's going on right now?
Yeah, we already decided to bring in Obama. He's going to be Romney. Josh is showing me the music. He's going to write the script, and I'm filming and editing. And Phil's and I'm the moderator.
Can you do this? Can you do the slow motion walk? Can you do a black and white slow motion walk at the end? Run.
This is what will happen at the presidential election.
Tonight we have a very important presidential debate going on between Mitt Romney, the Republican candidate, and Barack Obama, the Democrat candidate. Take us to that.
Hi, I'm Jim Malone, and welcome to the 2012 presidential debate between President Obama and Governor Romney.
The first question will be from this gentleman over here.
So, what do you plan to do with the government?
Okay. Well, gentlemen, or ladies, I plan to convert to green energy.
Mr. Romney.
I plan to cut federal spending and be less dependent with China.
Thank you, Governor Romney, for those words. Now, for our next question from this creepy fellow over here.
Hello, guys. What do you plan to do about the economy?
President Obama, your thoughts.
Well, good to see you, sir. My plan is to help out and get more jobs, help these struggling families, help out those pesky homeowners, and I'd like to fix the financial crisis.
Mr. Romney, your thoughts on the government.
I will rebuild the American economy on the foundations of hard work, free enterprise, and innovations.